everyone, welcome back to Coffee Minutes. Whether you're a die-hard coffee lover or just here for the cozy vibes, you're in the right place. I'm so glad you're tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a regular, you already know what's brewing. Let's get into today's topic that's perfect for winding down after a long day, the ultimate nighttime coffee alternatives for better sleep. Now, we all love coffee, but let's be real. That late-night cup might be doing more harm than good when it comes to your sleep. If you've ever laid in bed, wide awake, wondering if that 5 p.m. latte was a mistake, yep, we've all been there. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant. It sharpens your focus and wakes you up, but if consumed too late in the day, it can mess with your sleep quality, big time. That's why in this episode, I'll be sharing the best nighttime coffee alternatives to keep your bedtime routine cozy, satisfying, and sleep-friendly. Let's start with decaf coffee. It's the first and most obvious switch, right? But not all decaf is created equal. Some decaf options still contain trace amounts of caffeine, enough to affect sensitive sleepers. If you're going to go decaf, look for brands that use the Swiss water process, which removes caffeine without harsh chemicals. This method retains the coffee flavor while eliminating nearly all of the caffeine content. It's smooth, mellow, and great for sipping while reading or journaling in the evening. Next up, herbal teas. These aren't just tea. They're caffeine-free infusions made from herbs, flowers, fruits, and roots. Chamomile is the classic choice here. Known for its calming effects, it's been used for centuries to promote sleep. Another favorite, peppermint tea. It soothes your digestion and helps you relax. Lavender and lemon balm teas are also great bedtime choices. They're aromatic, comforting, and part of many nighttime routines. If you're craving something creamy, try making a tea latte using almond or oat milk. It gives a rich texture that can feel almost like a traditional latte. If you want something closer to the texture and ritual of coffee, try coffee substitutes. There are a few brands and blends out there that offer a coffee-like experience without the caffeine. Look for drinks made from roasted chicory root, dandelion, barley, or carob. These blends have deep, roasted flavors and can be brewed just like coffee. Some even have health benefits like supporting digestion or liver function. A popular one is roasted chicory root. It's earthy and bold, and many say it's the closest match to the coffee flavor they love. Now let's talk about golden milk, also known as turmeric lattes. This is a creamy blend of turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and milk. It's warming, anti-inflammatory, and totally caffeine-free. It's a great option if you want something nourishing at night that doesn't spike your energy levels. You can make it at home with just a few ingredients or by ready-made blends. Don't forget hot cacao. And no, I'm not talking about sugary hot chocolate mix. I mean real cacao powder with minimal sugar, mixed with warm milk or a milk alternative. Cacao contains theobromine, which is a gentler stimulant than caffeine and less likely to mess with your sleep. It's relaxing, indulgent, and packed with antioxidants. So, to recap, your best nighttime alternatives to coffee are 1 Swiss water processed decaf, 2 herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, lavender, 3 coffee substitutes like chicory root or dandelion blends, 4 golden milk for a warming, soothing treat, 5 real cacao drinks for a cozy, chocolatey fix. All of these options help you keep the cozy coffee ritual alive without sacrificing sleep. They're comforting, flavorful, and great to incorporate into a nightly wind-down routine. And before we go, fun coffee fact time. Did you know the first webcam was invented just to monitor a coffee pot? Yep. Researchers at the University of Cambridge wanted to make sure there was coffee in the break room without having to walk there. Talk about priorities. If you're looking to build better habits around rest, relaxation, and self-care, be sure to check out my self-care and wellness planner. It's designed to help you slow down, recharge, and stay in balance. You'll find it listed with all my other books in the description below. And if you enjoy these cozy chats, please consider supporting the channel at ko-fi.com/coffeeminutes. Every little bit helps keep this podcast going. Thanks for listening to Coffee Minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more coffee chats, wellness tips, and productivity hacks. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay cozy and caffeinated or decaffeinated.